What's the meaning of Allen key? Allen key. Allen key. Allen key. Allen key. Allen key.
An Allen key, also known as a hex key or Allen wrench, is a tool used to turn bolts and screws with hexagonal sockets. It is named after the Allen Manufacturing Company, which was founded in Hartford, Connecticut in the early 20th century and was the first company to produce these tools. The key is typically L-shaped and comes in various sizes to fit different socket sizes. Its simple design allows for easy tightening and loosening of bolts and screws, making it a popular tool among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.